Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3 using application. You have to start by open EARFUN audio app, and of course your earbuds should be connected with your application. Then tap at your headphones and you need to scroll down. At the bottom we have factory reset, tap at this line and then click sure. So okay. Sure, now put your earbuds to the charging case, close the case and wait about 10 seconds. And we can reconnect them, so let's go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Now, open the charging case, and your earbud after factory reset enter to bring mode automatically, and we will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!